Hello YouTube, today I'll be showing you just a quick video of a noise comparison between a new Xbox 360 Slim and an old Xbox 360 Pro 60GB hard drive. I don't see how the hard drive has anything to do with it, but anyway, here's the noise comparison. Gears of War 3. The reason I choose Gears of War 3, touch sensitive buttons, hate them. The reason I choose Gears of War 3 is because it tends to have a lot of noise when dealing with this Xbox in particular. So, alright, here we go. I don't know if you can hear that, it's pretty loud. I don't know if you hear that very well, but it's fairly loud. Then it stopped. Alright, now moving on to the Xbox 360 Slim. Okay. Give me 1 second here. Here's Gears of War 3 in the Slim. Okay, so as you can see, it's not nearly as loud. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.